Okay, this is an interesting image to discuss in terms of volume and depth and shading and texturing. Certainly there's two-point perspective. You see the converging lines all coming to one place on the horizon over this way. But then you also have some convergence out to the left side of the image with these walls and the panels. So you have 2 points of converging, leading to two-point perspective. Two-point linear perspective. Certainly diminishing size is helping to create depth. You see how these shoes here are larger and then gradually get smaller. You certainly see that here, and all along there's larger and then it gradually, you see how they get closer together and smaller, and that helps create depth. Now the objects in the foreground are very crisp and detailed, and then gradually you get less detail and contrast. There is still quite a bit of detail back in here which looks like across the street, but the contrast is so low it makes it harder to see the detail. And certainly contrast in here is producing a lot of detail and emphasis in the work. There's quite a bit of texture. You see this kind of bumpy texture throughout, that with some shadows in between, the lighter areas coming forward and the little darker areas receding, and the smooth texture here, and the very smooth texture of the floor and the shading that's being used. And so those are all things that are helping to create some volume and depth in this work.